Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Thank you for joining me today. Today, okay, I was just checking if this mic is on, because sometimes when I'm halfway it just goes off. So today I'm reviewing this fragrance that I bumped into. Okay, um yes, I bumped into this fragrance, and it is called, the brand name is Arabiyat Prestige, and it is called Ladybird. So this is how the package is, and this is the front. You guys can see the light reflection is kind of, yeah, I don't know if this is better. Okay, this is how it is. I believe this is written, Ladybird is written Arabic. We'll see Ladybird, and this is the side, and this is the back, and this one you slide it out, and yeah, this is it. This is the back of the package. The side, you see the flower design, and the front, and on this side is written, that is written in English, Arabic, Spanish, and all that on this side. So yeah, you open it like this. So this is the fragrance. I'm gonna bring out the bottle, so we'll talk about it. So yes, this is the bottle. It have two colors, ombre, the gold, and then you see the color of the fragrance itself. This is gold, and then the bottom is clear, so give that ombre look. And just like the way it's written on the package, Ladybird in Arabic, and then Ladybird underneath it. And look at the cap. You can see, beautiful. Yeah, this is metal. It is not magnetic. So I'll quickly spray this, and then we'll talk about it. This one have good projection, like 3 feet. This one smells good. I love it. I love it. I'm loving it already. I love fragrances that are either floral, fruity, or woody, with that creamy, that smooth finish, that dense, creamy, like caramel, vanilla, sandalwood kind of finish, that sweet, creamy. Oh my god, I love this. I'll quickly read the notes. Top notes: amber, bergamot, pear. Middle note: floral note, jasmine. Base note: amber, floral note, sandalwood, and patchouli. I get the pear. It's smooth. It's floral. I don't even get the amber. I don't get the amber. This one is fruity floral and dense. Wow. This is amazing. I love this one. Really, I do. I'm gonna spray this in my hair. Ladybird. This one is so beautiful. I love it. This is my kind of fragrance. I'm rocking this summer. I'm rocking this summer. I'm rocking this summer. Oh my god, this is so good. No difference. The florals are still there. It's smooth. Is this is if you say fragrance that to keep for life, this is one of it. I'm gonna wear this like forever. If it gets finished, even before it gets finished, I get another. It will be my signature scent. If care is not taken. If care is not taken. Oh my god. No difference. It's sweet. It's floral. It's fruity. You get that pear. You get that. Oh my god. You get the floral notes. It's dense. And the sandalwood is doing its own work too at the background. This one is good for all year round for me. It's dense, it's sweet, it's amazing. It's it gives elegance. I really don't know how to explain all this way I feel over this fragrance. It's just so unique. This is my kind of fragrance for real. That kind of fragrance, like this one for me is a short. If I have to rate it more than 10, I will give this 15 out of 10. But it's not possible. This is 10 out of 10. 10 over 10 for sure. No otherwise, no. To tell you how beautiful this fragrance is. Like this is a love at first sniff. A love at first sniff. Like seriously. I'm loving it already. Already. It's so beautiful. Have you ever sprayed a fragrance or tried a fragrance and as soon as you sniff it, you just love it. You just fall in love with it. And even though you didn't plan to get that particular fragrance, you have a plan to get a different fragrance, and you just say, oh, let me try other fragrances, but your mind is locked on the one you want to get, but you still want to just play around, like try other fragrance that maybe next time when I come I will get it. And then you come across this one that you didn't plan to buy at all. And as soon as you sniff it, you just love it. And you leave the one that you plan to buy and go for it. That is what this one is giving me. I love it already. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should I leave this to macerate? I'm scared now. I'm scared now because sometimes when I like a fragrance, that first spray before it macerates, I love it. And then when I leave it to macerate, it it start giving me crazy. Like that impression is no longer there. I have one, I can tell you. Um, what's the name? Natural Intense. The very first time I sprayed it, when I received it, as I sprayed it, I loved it. As soon as I let it macerate, it didn't give me that impression. No, it didn't give me again. The fig that was so driving me crazy was no longer driving me crazy at all. So I had to reduce the rate number. I gave it a lower rating. So I'm thinking of this one now. Either I leave it and don't let it macerate because I'm already in love with it, or let it macerate and see if it's going to change. Now I'm scared now. I don't want to do this. So leave your comment down below. Should I let it macerate or just keep rocking it just the way it is right now? Just don't let it macerate. Start wearing it. So, and if you love fragrances that are fruity, floral, smooth, dense, elegant, sexy, unique, get your hand on this. You will love it. I'm telling you this. You will love it. If you love fragrances like this, I believe this is for women. So if you're a man and you're watching this video, get this for your wife. She will love it. Get it for your sister. She will love it. Get it for your mom. Get this for your mom. Mother's Day is close by. It's like around the corner. This is not expensive. You're not going to break your bank. Fragrances that you can get for your mom or get for yourself as a mother. If you love what I just said about this fragrance, get your hand on this. This is cheap. I think I got this for less than $25. So get it. You will love it. I promise you. If you love fruits, floral, very floral. Yeah, very floral, but it's smooth. Or if you love fragrances like, I'm not saying they smell the same, but I'm kind of giving you the kind of fragrances that it's kind of similar to. If you love Girl of Now by Elisab, that means you will love this one. They give the same smooth vibe. They are just close to each other. They give that sweet, dense, floral vibe. Get this, you will love it. So yes, ladies, gentlemen, thank you for staying with me to the end of today's video. I appreciate you guys so much. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, to this channel, please do that. Yes, please subscribe. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Or other videos that I've uploaded or that is out there from me, you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And also, when you subscribe, click on the bell icon so you get notified each time I upload a video. And I'll say this and I'll keep saying this: love yourself, treat yourself right. You have to love yourself in order for you to love another. And I will see you guys on my next one.